Alabama is the latest state to report a lung disease death that could be tied to vaping. That brings the number of deaths across the country to 17. The Alabama Department of Public Health says a man from the eastern part of the state died. According to the CDC, there are 805 confirmed or probable cases of lung injury associated with vaping in 46 states. Alabama will likely be added to that total when the CDC updates its numbers this week. Planned Parenthood is opening one of the largest abortion clinics in the country, 15 miles from the Missouri border in Illinois. The organization is using a shell company to build the facility in secret to avoid delays and protesters. Missouri passed a bill earlier this year outlawing abortions beyond 8 weeks of pregnancy. A federal judge blocked that law, but Planned Parenthood's chief medical officer says Missouri residents still face fewer roadblocks getting the procedure in Illinois.
In addition to the mandated waiting period, patients don't have to have medically inaccurate state-mandated information given to them. Their insurance, both public and private, can pay for that care. They're able to access that care the day that they need that care, and so on and so forth. So just about nearly every hoop that our patients from Missouri have to navigate right now is eliminated here.
There's only one abortion clinic in the entire state of Missouri, and it's in St. Louis. The new Planned Parenthood facility plans to start seeing patients by mid-October. It's the second deadliest cancer for men, but thanks to a new trial, there may be new hope for those battling prostate cancer. Meredith Wood has the details.
Encouraging news for men suffering from aggressive forms of prostate cancer. A drug could help slow down the progression of the deadly disease.
This study really looked at men who had progressed or for whom standard of care therapy was no longer working.
The drug olaparib was shown to delay the disease progression in men with metastatic castrate-resistant cancer and mutations in their HRR genes. Castrate-resistant means that the cancer keeps growing even when the testosterone levels in the patient's body have been drastically reduced.
The men that were treated in this trial, it reduced the chance of progression or death by 66%. And men who were on this agent more than doubled the time that they benefited from treatment compared to standard therapies.
The drug is sold under the brand name Lynparza. It's currently used to treat adults with other cancers, including ovarian, fallopian tube, and certain types of breast cancer. But manufacturers hope to get it approved as soon as possible for prostate cancer. According to the American Cancer Society, about 1 out of 9 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer, and it's more common in older and African American men. It's the second deadliest form of cancer for men behind lung cancer.